That is typically a cliff that you can walk down, but now it's as if it's a riverbank that is very close to us. For those of you that do not know how fast the Missouri River runs, check it out. I think we're okay for now. I don't think... Here's the park, the beautiful, beautiful park in downtown Parkville. Those are the railroad tracks right behind me. My business is about 15 feet past the railroad tracks, down further that way at the end of the park, down in the downtown Parkville area. So we're in a pretty good shape right now. They just started releasing water for the Corps of Engineers, so I think we still have a few days before it starts flooding the park, hopefully. And at that point, we'll determine whether or not it's going to make it up into the businesses. So, as of right now, we're in good shape. All is well. It's a fast, furious river, but it's fantastic. It's good for us. Have a wonderful Father's Day.